Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am happy to be here, and I'm glad you're here as well. We're going to be doing a painting. I'm doing a painting for an artist friend of mine who sent me pictures of her bedroom in an area where she needs a piece of art, and it's a little challenging. She's got very cool paint colors on the wall. My jam, earth tones, but it's kind of a mustardy kind of hue, so I need something that's going to complement that, so I'm working on that today. But I want to clear something up. I did a paint mixing video, about 3 videos down. And one of the main questions I got on that video is, what's in your mix? I showed them how I thicken up some of my paints using the mix pour. Let me grab that gallon. So people are under the impression that my mix is my mix, and it's not my mix. It's a product called Mix Pour, and it was created by 2 lovely ladies who are also artists, and they sell this at carpetaart.com. Now, they're taking a break for a while to concentrate on their art, but I am hoping they get back to mixing up their mix pour soon, because I'm a real fan of it. So it's not my mix or a mix of things that I mix up. It's a product called Mix Pour. But I also wanted to share and show something else for you. A lot of you, I'm sure, have already done this test, but my pouring medium is usually 50% Floetrol, American Floetrol, and 50% Golden GAC 800. The GAC is in there because it adds just the right consistency for me. It helps with cracking, it helps with crazing, and it is just a really good pouring medium, but it's expensive, and that's why I add it to my Floetrol. A gallon of GAC 800 is $120 if you don't find it on sale. A gallon of Floetrol is $14 to $15. So it's a good additive. It helps protect your paintings, and I'm a real fan of it. But I use different things to thicken up my paints. When I need a thicker paint for like my ring pours or my straight pours, I use a lot of fluid paints. I use a lot of golden fluid paints, and often with my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol and 50% GAC 800, when I'm mixing that pouring medium with a fluid paint for a ring pour or a technique that I need a thicker paint for, I need to thicken it up. And I usually use one of 2 things. I use either the Mix Pour because it's thick, or I use more Floetrol because it's thick. It's thicker than the GAC 800, and I wanted to show that to you. I keep these little bottles next to me. One has Floetrol, one has the Mix Pour in it, and one has GAC 800 in it. So let me just kind of show that to you. Let me put a little squeeze of Floetrol right there. And then I'll put a little squeeze of mix next to the Floetrol. Now these are all pouring mediums, guys. Floetrol is actually a paint extender, and let me put a dab of the GAC right there. Floetrol, mix, and GAC 800. Let's see if I can pick this up, and let's give it a tilt. You can see that the GAC is thinner, the mix is thicker, and the Floetrol is almost as thick as the Mix Pour. So if you want to thicken up your paints, add a little more Floetrol to it. If you have the Mix Pour, add a little mix to it. If you want to thin your paints down, you can add water, but you can also add some GAC 800 to it. So I hope that's a little clearer. I certainly didn't mean to confuse any of you on my paint mixing video. And by all means, if you ever have a question, reach out. I will always answer. Always, always, always. You can also email me at cozcreationsart@gmail.com. Let's get to my friend's painting, a very dear friend of mine. We are working a 12 by 36 inch canvas. She, or I believe she needs a vertical, not horizontal. So this painting is actually going to go this way. Now, my base coat today is kind of fun. It's Rust-oleum Metallics, the Metallic Champagne, but I kicked it up a notch by adding this dark gold by Art Minds to it. So, started out with this, added a little bit of this until I got it to the color that made me smile. And where is that color? Hang on. It's right here. I love these Rust-oleum paints. That big old jug is $24. It goes a long way. A lot of people ask me, where do you get it, Kathleen? I can't find it. Well, I bought some yesterday as well, and I purchased it from Amazon. So, and believe it or not, their price was comparable. I also might put in my base coat a little of my black. This is, but I will add that later to maybe add a border of some kind to it. Our black today is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics in the black. This yummy color right here is the Q word, Nico Azo Gold, Golden Fluid Paints. I did add a little extra Floetrol to that because it was extremely thin. This lovely color right here is Golden Fluid Paints as well, and this is the Raw Sienna. This yummy, delicious thing right here is Golden Fluid Acrylics, and that is the Iridescent Bronze. This one of my faves and a requested color by my painting Pete. This is Golden Fluids Acrylics and the Iridescent Copper. And I mixed into it and it made it nice and rich and thickened it up. The Arteza Pearl Marmelade. This yummy goodness right here is Arteza, and that is their metallics or their pearl deep brown. Very nice chocolatey color, as my Massey boys say. And in case I want to add it into my cup, there's some more of the Artist Loft Black. So my idea is to do several ring pours down one side. I'm probably gonna only do one at a time, manipulate my paint, get it to where I want it, get it so it kind of stops moving, and then work my way down for the additional cups. So I think we have it. I think that's it, guys. I've been chatty Kathy today, and I apologize for that. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy, guys.
See what we're about. I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. 'Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone that's got the toe. Someone has got the toe. precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take him out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the
All that I've been dreaming about, it is all too close. I got it all, but I'm paralyzed. I don't know which way to go. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm fading away under the lights, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you. 'Cause you take my breath away. All the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and even falling. I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. breath away. Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen, stay and let's figure out where to go and how about family, new history. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. I know there's nothing that I can't do with you, with you. Girlfriend, you make my edges seem smooth. The world is happier and less busy around us too. Girlfriend, just one look at you and I'm out of control. Well, I'm the luckiest of the lucky. Let me hold